Hello everyone. Today I have brought complete notes of Rahim ke Dohe from class 9 Karnataka. Explanation of the same Dohe I have already uploaded. You can check in the playlist. So here the first main is एक वाक्य में उत्तर लिखिए. Answer in one sentence. First one, सुजन लोग संपत्ति क्यों संग्रह करते हैं? Why does good people collect wealth? Why does good people collect wealth? आंसर, सुजन लोग दूसरों की मदद के लिए संपत्ति संग्रह करते हैं. Good people collect wealth in order to distribute among poor and needy people. So why do they collect wealth? In order to distribute among poor and needy people. Then next, चंदन के पेड़ से कौन लिपटे रहता है? Who stays on sandalwood tree? Answer, चंदन के पेड़ से सांप लिपटा रहता है. Snakes stay on sandalwood tree. Then next, रहीम किसको तिरस्कार न करने के लिए कहते हैं? Whom does रहीम says not to ignore? आंसर, रहीम कहते हैं बड़े लोगों को देखकर छोटे लोगों का तिरस्कार नहीं करना चाहिए. So Rahim says we should not ignore poor people while looking at rich people. Then next one, कौन अपनी प्रशंसा नहीं करते हैं? Who doesn't praise themselves? Answer, बड़े लोग अपनी प्रशंसा नहीं करते हैं. Great people don't praise themselves. Okay. Then next main is दो तीन वाक्य में उत्तर लिखिए. Answer in 2 to 3 sentences. First question is रहीम ने सज्जनों के बारे में क्या कहा है? सोदाहरण समझाइए. Explain with the example what Rahim has said about good people. So answer, रहीम कहते हैं कि सज्जनों दूसरों की भलाई के लिए संपत्ति जमा करते हैं. वे खुद अपने ऊपर नहीं खर्च करते. जिस प्रकार पेड़ खुद अपना फल नहीं खाता और सरोवर खुद अपना पानी नहीं पीता, उसी प्रकार सज्जन व्यक्ति भी होते हैं. So what it means? Here Rahim says good people collect wealth in order to help others. They don't spend on themselves. Just like tree don't eat its fruit and lake don't drink its water, the same way good people also don't spend money on themselves. Instead, they provide others. Okay? Then next is रहीम ने भुजंग के उदाहरण से क्या बताया है? What has Rahim said with the example of snake? आंसर, रहीम ने भुजंग के उदाहरण से हमें बताया है कि जिस तरह चंदन के पेड़ से सांप लिपटे होते हैं, फिर भी उसका विष पेड़ के अंदर नहीं जाता, उसी प्रकार अच्छे स्वभाव के लोग बुरी संगत से घिरे होने पर भी उनकी बुराई उनमें नहीं जाती. So what he's saying, he tries to give the message of good people by giving the example of snake. As we know, snake is wrapped around sandalwood tree, yet its poison doesn't enter the tree. This shows no matter how many bad people are around good people, they can't harm them because good people know to take the decisions. They are not confused. Even if bad people try to misguide them, they don't care. Okay? Then next question is छोटे लोगों के महत्व को रहीम ने कैसे व्यक्त किया? How did Rahim express the importance of small people? तो आंसर इज, जिस प्रकार सुई का काम तलवार नहीं कर सकता, उसी प्रकार साधारण व्यक्ति का काम बड़े लोग नहीं कर सकते. हर मनुष्य का अपना महत्व होता है और वह उसी महत्व से पहचाना जाता है. See, we know how small is needle. Here, Rahim is giving the example of a needle by saying, though needle is small and sword is big, but they cannot exchange their work. When needle is required, we need needle only. Sword will not help you. It cannot replace needle. This shows every human being has his own importance and he is recognized by that importance. So, we should not judge a person by his status. Everyone plays important role in our life. देन नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज हीरे के बड़प्पन को रहीम ने कैसे बताया है? हाउ डिड रहीम टेल अबाउट द ग्रेटनेस ऑफ डायमंड? आंसर, बड़े लोग जिस तरह अपनी प्रशंसा खुद नहीं करते उसी तरह हीरा कभी नहीं कहता कि उसका मूल्य लाख मुद्राएं है। हमेशा उसकी प्रशंसा दूसरे ही करते हैं। See, just as great people don't praise themselves, they are recognized by others. Similarly, diamond never says that its value is worth lakhs of rupees. People say that diamond has more value. Okay? Then next main is जोड़कर लिखिए. Match the following. तरुवर फल नहीं खात है. Trees don't eat their own fruits. चंदन पेड़ लिपटे रहत भुजंग. Snakes are wrapped around sandalwood tree. देख बड़ेन को लघु न दीजिए डारी. Don't underestimate poor people by looking at rich people. हीरा लाख टका मममोल. The value of diamond is in lakhs and crores. Then next main is Anurupta. See, in this main you have to look at the first pair and accordingly you have to solve the second pair. Here Taru, paid. What is the relation between Taru and paid? Taru means tree, paid also means tree. So this is synonym. Same meaning, different words. So for talwar also you have to write another word which means talwar itself. So here khadag is written. Khadag also means sword and talwar also means sword. Synonym it is. Then second is doodh sheer, bhujang sam. Doodh means milk, sheer also means milk. So here also the relation is synonym. Same meaning, different words. Bhujang means snake, Samp also means snake. Then next is mol, dam. Mol means value, dam also means value. Bol means shabd, word. Okay, so here also synonym is there. Means the relation is synonym. Then fourth is Kaj. Kaj means karya, work. Sampatti means dhan. Here also synonym. So here all the four anurupta, all the four relation, if you see, it is synonym only. Different words but same meanings. Okay. Then next main is इन शब्दों के अलग अलग अर्थ लिखिए. Here you have to write the different meanings of the words. Var means boon. Vardhan means boon and Dulha means groom. Okay. So here same word is there. Same word but it has two different meanings. According to the sentence you use this word. Okay. Var also means boon and it also means groom. Then sir. Sir means Amrit or Prithvi. What is Amrut? Amrut means nectar, honey, shahad, or Prithvi means earth. So here also two different meanings are there for the same word. You have to be careful which word you have to use for which sentence. Okay. Then third is par. Par means pank. Pank means feather, and the other meaning of par is lekin. Lekin means but. But. Okay. Then fourth one is Jan. Jan means pran. One meaning of Jan is pran and another meaning of Jan is janna means to know. Okay, to know, malum karna. Then next main is तुकांत शब्द लिखिए. तुकांत शब्द means rhyming word. पान, खान, कुसंग, सत्संग, dari, talwari, bol, mol. So these words you will get from the दोहे itself. Then next main is इन शब्दों के उच्चारण लगभग समान है किंतु अर्थ भिन्न है. इनके अर्थ नीचे दिए गए शब्दों में से चुनकर लिखिए. See, below some words are given and the pronunciation of these words are almost similar, but meaning is different. You have to write the correct meaning of the words. Here, Pavan and Pavan. Two words are given. Pavan, Pavan. Only A ki matra is there. If not, both the words are same. So only it's written in the heading that same type of words are given, but it has different meanings. You have to choose the right answer and write. So pavan means hava, hava means air. Pavan means pavitra, pure. Meanings are different. Then second, din. Din means divas. Divas means day. Deen means daridra, means poor, poor guy. Then next, apeksha means asha, hope. Upeksha means tiraskar, means ignore, to reject, to ignore, to avoid. So meanings are different. You have to be careful. The next is krupan. Krupan means conjuse, miser. Then second one is krupan, which means katar. Then fifth one is kirti. Kirti means yash, fame. Okay, fame. Then kruti means rachna, composition. Okay. देन नेक्स्ट में is ऊपर से नीचे रिक्त स्थानों को भरकर दी गई शब्द पहली का हल कीजिए, सहायता के लिए संकेत चित्र दिए गए हैं. See, in this main few letters are missing. You have to find out the missing letters. Some pictures are given as a hint. So first is इमारत. Building is given here. तो building को क्या बोलते हैं? इमारत. Then second is Vijdhar. You can see snake is wrapped around the branch of the tree. So what do you call it? Vijdhar. Then third one is Bail Gadi. Bail Gadi. You can see bullock cart. तो bullock cart को क्या कहते हैं? बैलगाड़ी. Then fourth is Sharbat. Sharbat means juice. You can see glass and a straw in it. So that is Sharbat. मीठा पानी. Then last one is bartan. Bartan means utensils. Okay. So these pictures are given for your help. You can take the help of the pictures and find out the missing letters. Then next main and the last main is Shuddh Roop Likhiye. Here you have to write proper words. Word is given, but if you read this, you will not find any meaning. Ruvtar. What is the meaning of Ruvtar? There is no such word like Ruvtar. So here it is not arranged properly. You have to arrange it. You have to arrange it properly. Okay. So if you see, it will be Taruvar. It is not Ruvtar. It is Taruvar. Mistakes are there. You have to correct it. Then second is Ganjbu. So it is Bhujang. Then third one is Talwari. Fourth is Prakruti. And the last one is Parakajahit. Okay. So here we have done with the notes, question answers, objectives, everything. I hope this video was useful. It helped you. And if you want more such videos of all other classes, 8, 9, 10, then you will get in this channel. So do hit the like button, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.